him up, y'all. Yo! Yeah! What is up,
Choo Choo!
It's Nolannati, and we're here, y'all, with
Choo Choo chose the final part.
You guys heard that? The final part. This episode, we are beating Charles. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. It's time to get back for Eugene, guys. Because what happened to him, you know, is very sad, and we can't let that slide, okay? But make sure you guys go grab a snack from the kitchen and let me know what you guys get in the comments, because I'm really interested. What's your guys' favorite snack, you know? But let me stop talking and let's get right into this. Let's go. What's up with you, Eugene? Eugene!
How things were supposed to end.
Oh! Oh! What? Where are you running? Oh! Alright, I ain't gonna lie. Nah. So basically what's happening is I only have 2 more missions. Boom, boom. Or 3 more. Boom, boom, boom. And then I should be fully upgraded, y'all. And then I just need to go to this temple, grab the key, and then finally we should be able to fight Charles, y'all. Wow. I'm supposed to... Y'all, what is that? Yo, who is that? Yo, chill! Yo, hello? Yo, hello? Yo, Betty won't jump off though. Whee! 5, 2 more. All right, found one.
What?
Oh nah, he kicks you out. Yo, how is he right there though? Why is he so fast? Yo! He's literally right behind me. I'm dead. Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Why am I scared? Y'all, I cannot stop. He is literally right behind me. I don't know where the last one's at though. Y'all, hello? Oh, I got him. Yo. This guy's scarier than Charles. Hold on. I'm running circles. Where's the last page? No, why'd I do that? Oh my gosh, juice.
Money.
Yeah, fully upgraded armor, y'all. Alrighty. Hold on, when did I get this?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
yes,
is that
sir.
the armor fully upgraded?
Yes,
Hold
sir.
on. Look at us, y'all. Yeah, look at the spikes. 55 scraps. Y'all hear that? You guys, oh, he's right in front of us. All right, let's go.
Hello, guys.
Yeah, Charles, this one's for you, buddy. Hold on. Yeah. Oh, look at him. Oh, switch. Me. I like this one the most. I just wish it did more damage. Dang. Yeah, eat these. Hold on. Me. Yo, Charles, open up, buddy. He's still chasing. He fell back. Dang, what happened to you?
We haven't met, but I've heard lots about you coming to help us.
Yep.
I have a favor to ask. The breakers on the side of the lighthouse need replacing.
Okay.
I was recently attacked by Charles, so I'm...
Charles did that?
The breakers are in the nearby supply shed. If you go get them and repair the lighthouse, once you finish, I have some...
Man, shut your...
Oh, I didn't know the code, y'all. I'm just like that. I am just like that. Never forget that.
Fixing the lighthouse will definitely increase our chances of being spotted. Here are those scraps I promised.
Thank you. Now I can fully upgrade my V. Hold on. Alrighty. A little update. We just finished the last side quest. And now we just have to invade and grab one more egg. And then take it to the temple. And then we fight Charles. Hold on. Let me just... Yup. Boom. Alright, we're fully upgraded, y'all. Yo! Oh my gosh, Charles, please mind your business.
Nope.
Mind your business, Charles! He's eating rockets!
Nope.
I barely got scraps, Charles, please. Please. Matter of fact, I gotta reverse it right now. I know those guys are gonna be in here. Oh wow. But you know, we're just gonna run past them. Because that's all we can do. We're gonna speed run this. Once he walks past.
Stupid.
Keep going. Yep, right there. Bingo! Thank you. Yo! Chill! Oh my. Leave me alone. Let me grab the. Yo, chill! Where's the train? Oh no. Alrighty, you got it. You know what? You got it. The sniper. Line up. Meet me. Come here, buddy. Oh my. Had to hit him up, y'all. Alrighty. Let's stick those in there.
What do you mean by that?
Yeah, all three of the eggs. Boom. Ooh.
know what you're doing. Just put the egg down slowly and lay flat on the ground. You'll hurt far too many people if you follow through.
They all got the buckshot to our face. Oh! Yeah!
No! You fool!
Y'all should have pulled the trigger, man. Whoa, whoa, he's getting a little bigger, y'all. Y'all running now? Where's the buckshots? Oh, he ate Warren. Well, that's tough. Oh, I didn't even get to see the red paint, y'all. That's what I'm thinking about. We're gone. We're gone. We're gone. Hold on. Charles. Eat this for me. Hell, Charles. Hold on, y'all. We killed him today. Ah! Hold on. Eat these, Charles. I'm missing. Yeah. Hold on. Where you go? Nah, you can teleport. Hold on. I'm about to kill myself. Hold on. He about to damage this. He about to damage it. I should have put down more scraps. Hey, Charles, this was for Eugene, my boy. This was for Eugene. Where'd he go? Oh! He's eating these. Or I'm just missing. Hold on. He's eating these. We too fast, Charles. We too fast. He's dead. Oh! Yeah! What's happening? Oh. Y'all see he's eating these 50 cows? Hold on, let's get the flamethrower out. Let's give it some time. Yeah! It just overheats, y'all. Oh, he's burning though. Yeah, burn, Charles. Burn. Hold on. Hold this one for me too. The OG weapon. Oh! Y'all. He's almost dead though. We almost have him wrapped. Yeah, we still got more lives, Charles. Hold on, we about to wrap him up though. We about to wrap him up. His final form. This gotta be his final form. Oh my gosh. Hold on. He's almost dead. I'm spamming. He can't even catch up to us. Charles, this is all the fight you got? Hold on. Oh. This is all you got, Charles? Come on. You just eating these. Yeah. Hold on. Spray! Nah, these CPs are crazy. Oh! Why is he so close? Yo, Charles! Eat this! Charles! Oh, the detonator! Yeah! Deuces! Hold on! Oh, nah, yeah, I was not expecting that kind of death. But honestly, who wants a kebab, y'all?
Yummy.
Hold on, that's how they gonna cut the credits? Y'all see the background? Oh wait, hold on, y'all. We back. Hold on. What's this? It's a little cutscene. There's one more egg left. Wait, Choo Choo Charles Part 3? Nah, no way. Choo Choo Charles part 6043? Hold on, what? There's so many eggs. Yeah, nah. We just gotta evacuate. That's Charles Island now, y'all. Oh, nah. Hold on, look at the train, y'all, please. That's so tough. But y'all, that was Choo Choo Charles, y'all. Let me know how y'all liked it. I mean, honestly, to be honest, that was a quick game. Like, I did it in 2 parts. And the boss fight wasn't that bad. Maybe because I had it on normal. Or I think I had it on hard. I don't even know what mode I chose. But it wasn't bad. It was a good game. Simple, quick, masterpiece, y'all. But if y'all enjoyed, make sure you like and subscribe. And make sure you share the video, y'all. We're trying to get to 100 subs. I think we at 71 right now. But we're trying to get to 100, y'all. But thank y'all for watching. Hold on, y'all see that? Not gonna say anything. But I hope y'all have a great day. And I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.